Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to do a double spiral ice dye. To begin, I'm going to take the left bottom corner of the shirt and fold it up to the right shoulder corner of the shirt. So I'm basically folding my shirt in half diagonally. Then I'm going to choose an area up in the shoulder portion and begin spiraling my shirt from there. After I have my shirt spiraled up, I'm going to tie it up with some rubber bands. Now that my shirt is dry, I'm ready to dye it. For this one I'm going to ice dye. So I have made a barrier out of some plastic cutting boards that I've cut into strips, and I've held them together with binder clips. I've used a washable marker to divide my shirt into 6 equal areas, and I'm ready to start applying the dye. To begin, I'm using Custom Colors Turquoise, and in the area across from that, I'm using Dharma's Glacier Blue. I'm trying to alternate dark colors and light colors. I have a dark purple and a light purple, a dark pink and a light pink, and a dark blue and a light blue. So that's what I'm doing. To the right of the turquoise, I'm adding Hydrangea, and across from that, I am putting red violet. And to the left of the turquoise, I'm adding baby pink, and across from that, I'm putting dragon fruit. Then I'm going to load on soda ash and ice and let it process. After the ice melted, I came back and checked my shirt. The dark colors had gone through just fine, but the lighter ones had not, particularly the Glacier Blue. So I went ahead, turned my shirt over, and added just a very light amount of each one of the dyes. Added a little bit more soda ash and some more ice and let it continue to process. It processed for probably 24 to 36 hours after all the ice had melted the second time. Alright, this is how our shirt turned out. Thank you guys for watching.